As designers, when we undertake projects, we want to do the best job we can, and to do that, we need to achieve the right results. To achieve those results, we need to understand exactly what the design task requires. When we undertake any design, we really want to avoid making arbitrary decisions. So, today we are going to talk about creative brief. A lot of inexperienced designers may want to jump right into the fun part of the design process, the act of designing or creative. However, understanding the project's requirement could possibly be the most important step in the design process. Obviously, a designer can't design something he don't understand. Your project needs a purpose, objectives, expectations, and a clear reason for existing. In a creative brief, you articulate your vision and justify its benefits, as well as plan how you will target your audience. From the beginning, a creative brief puts everyone on the same page before launching a project. Client information. From account managers and creative directors to designers and copywriters, the creative brief is an easy way to get all project participants on the same page, because not everyone is going to be involved with every client meeting. Will every contributor be a part of the process from start to finish? In fact, several specialists like character animator and a voice artist are only involved in the project for a very short period of time, and the creative brief is like the baton in your relay race. Deliverable materials. Here, you have to select the services you are looking for. Details about the product or service. We need to know the why of the project. What's the need? What's the pain? What's the opportunity or challenge? Our team may not need to know every nitty-gritty historical detail of the product or service. So don't waste time trying to peg down every little thing. Only require what's the most important things to do the great work. Target audience. How will we know to whom to target our deliverables unless we know who's going to see, handle, watch, or read what we are creating? Stylistic preferences. This section is especially important for our team. This is where the how gets answered, where the designer clarifies the tone, color, font, size, logo specs, and any other guidelines related to the project. Samples or documents. This is the client's chance to tell us the what of the project, what you actually want from our team to do. This is where the clients really unveils the overall vision they have for the project. This can require a little digging, however, because often clients have a picture in their head of what they want. Project timeline. Based on this, our team can manage the timeline. Budget. Budget that you are comfortable. As I have said before, designing is not about making things look pretty. Designing is the organization and presentation of information visually developed through a creative process for a particular function. Before we begin the design process for any project, we should always seek to understand what that particular function is. As designers, we need to be able to ask the right questions to enable us to fully understand. In order to answer with correct solutions, to do this, we should start by seeking as much information about the project as possible. So, what is creative brief? Well, in short, a creative brief is a document provided before the start of a project that should contain key information, criteria, and instructions ready for a designer to effectively start a project. A typical brief should include all the relevant information a designer will need in order to understand the context, the requirements, and the needs of the project. It may help to think the creative brief as the problem and the task that will need to be solved. If you wish to take a closer look at this example creative brief, you can find it in harshdesigns.com. The link is in the description. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Also, if any of you have any other design doubts or topics, be sure to pop them in comments, and I would love to create another video. Until then, have fun guys, and I'll see you next time.